Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Entitled Couple Turns Parking Ticket into Felony by CK Bodycam.
Yeah.
Damn, thank you for calling me. It's crazy.
Alright. Yeah, I got it.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
We had like a boat ramp or something. Just came from there today. It was thebomb.com.
Yeah, you guys can't be blocking the spots like that, alright? You gotta go. Because you're standing in the road, dude. You get out of the roadway. You need to calm down first off.
Oh, I love when people try to hold a spot that they're standing at. Like, bitch, no, that's not how that works.
First off, you can't be standing in the road and you can't be blocking parking spots.
Well, he hit me with his car.
First off, you can't be standing in the road and blocking parking spots. That's why you probably got bumped.
He's probably drunk.
Right? Because you're standing in the road, right? Is that legal? If you're standing in the road, yes, come on, man.
It's legal to hit somebody with their car.
You're standing in the road, right?
Oh, so now it's legal.
Let me see the video.
She has it on video.
Are you hurt? Do you need rescue?
Excuse me.
Do you need rescue? Sir, do you need rescue?
I don't need to talk to you, sir.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay.
We
Fuck you too.
This is for trailers.
Yes, we already paid.
You can't just block.
Where your trailer at then? Why y'all both standing right there at the parking spot if y'all got a trailer?
Parking spaces though.
But these people
That's
are
not how this
blocking
works. So you can't just block parking spaces.
But we paid
Look,
for
sir,
it already.
the road was blocked, so we
The
wouldn't.
road is still blocked because of this right
No,
now.
they were blocking it, so how are we gonna park?
It's because they
We already paid.
We already
You
paid.
can't come over here and reserve spots.
We
That's not how it
already
works.
paid.
You can't come over here and reserve spots.
It's not reserved.
You're standing in it.
We were here already.
Where is the
Cop pissed off. When somebody start going like this, they ready to whoop some ass.
sign that
Where's
said
your
that
car? Your
we
car's
we
not
can?
there.
It's right there. The car's right there. We had to
trying
go
to
around
park.
since you couldn't resolve the road blocked here. That's not on
Move out
us.
of the
That's
way
on
so you
you.
can park
That's
his
not
trailer.
our problem.
Move out of
You
the
had
way.
to resolve the road
Move
block,
out of
right?
the way so he can park his trailer.
I don't have to move out of the way. Where's the sign?
Oh, yes, you fucking do. All right, go ahead, go to jail.
Where is the sign that
Where's
said
the
that
sign?
we
You're just
can?
gonna block the road at this
Where's
point.
the
and
sign?
Excuse me. Where is the sign that said?
Don't touch
Excuse
my
me.
mouth. Don't touch
No,
my
no,
mouth.
Alejandrito, por favor.
She touched him, stupid.
First off, don't
Excuse
touch
me,
my
Calm
excuse
mouth.
down a little bit.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Calm down a
Excuse
little
me.
bit.
Excuse me. Where is the sign?
Okay, so you getting ready to tee off.
Down a little bit.
Where is the sign that said that I can reserve?
Stop. Go over there. Just go over there.
Why is he parked? Why are you parking in our spot?
You can't reserve spots.
For which one?
There's no
Where
sign.
is the sign?
But they're
Where's the
blocking
sign that
us.
says that?
Where is the sign
It's
that
a
said that
general rule
that
of
we
parking
can
lots.
reserve
there's no
the
sign.
spot?
You can't do that.
Where is
here.
the sign?
We're
It's
in the
first
parking
come,
space.
first
Where is the sign that
We're
said
in
that?
the parking
There
space.
doesn't need to be a sign for
Where
that.
is the sign that said that?
I could tell by this guy's ponytail that he was gonna be hell.
Now you just want to stand here.
Yo,
and
I reset the spot and I pay already.
Okay, that's a civil issue you can take up with the city.
Where is the sign that said that?
There doesn't need to be a sign.
Why?
Okay, wait.
Because there doesn't need to.
No.
It's parking.
Okay, the solution, since everybody wants this spot,
You
and
guys
we were
wanna
trying to
use
get
other
here,
parking?
where
You
do
can
we
go to
park?
Holland
Because we
Park.
already paid. Where do
You can
we
go to
go?
Holland Park.
We already paid. Where do we
Listen
go?
what I'm saying so I can tell you. You can go to
God damn, these couple is annoying. How are they together, bro?
Holland Park. There's another boat ramp at
We
Holland
gotta
Park.
drive out. Our boat is there in the water already. We were trying to get here, and these people
Someone could drive the boat over to Holland Park when you guys
We're
gonna
not
ramp
gonna
up.
do that. Why? Because they want to park here. Because we
You guys,
paid and we
they
told
got
them.
here first.
No, they didn't. We did.
Obviously, he's here first.
The road was blocked. We couldn't park because it was
We couldn't
blocked.
get in because it was blocked.
But you can't come over into the parking lot and reserve spots.
That's not how that works.
There's no sign that says that.
What is the sign that said that?
You don't need a sign to say that. Though.
Why?
It's still blocking the road.
I ain't gonna lie. Somebody get to acting crazy over my parking spot, I'd be like, bro, you can have it because I would think they gonna do something to my car and it's not even worth it.
No, it's
a
not.
ticket.
It's not a
Why?
roadway. It's a parking
No,
space.
so because this guy hit him, then nobody cares
Let
about
me see
that,
the video.
right? Nobody
You see the
cares.
video? Come
I
on.
was standing there. He hit me. He bumped me with his car, man.
All right, were you really blocking his shit though? That's the thing. Like, if you was blocking a spot with your body and not having your car already there, then I can understand why.
Let me see the video.
I don't even know if it recorded. I was so damn nervous. He hit him. Look, it took the
So you
floor.
didn't take a video. So right now I have he said, she said. That's all I have.
Facts. So it didn't happen.
Well, there's two two witnesses like me. Three people saying the same thing.
No independent witnesses. You got.
I don't think it count as a witness. You count as a witness if y'all are related.
You can't stand in parking spots.
Is there a sign that says that?
It's a common roadway rule.
Where's the
You can't stay on the road.
where's the
You can't
road?
stay on the road, right?
And
But
we
the notice
just
needs.
This is not a road. This is a parking spot.
This is a road where
No,
cars
it's,
go.
it's not a road. It's a parking spot.
You can agree to disagree with me. I can
All
still give
day.
you a ticket.
We reserve the park
Where's the ticket for?
and pay
Exactly.
already.
So obstruction of the roadway.
Obstruction of the road. This is not a road. This is a parking spot.
Whatever
He
you want.
was trying to go around and they were blocking him. This is a waste of time.
Obviously.
Okay, so can they?
If it's a waste of time, why the fuck are y'all still repeat yourself over and over again? Go to another spot. It ain't that fucking hard.
So we can park because we've been
No,
here.
he got here first.
No,
he
they're
didn't.
not.
He's been here.
No, they're
That's why
No,
he's
he
at the
didn't. The
parking
other
lot.
guy you were talking to was blocking everybody,
they're
and we were
not.
here before
He
him.
was waiting for someone to get out so he can get in here.
No, we were already here, and he was blocking everybody.
That's
So
not
we
how that
went
works,
around, and now this guy's not letting us park.
Oh my God, can they just go ahead and take him to jail already? Please. I ain't never been so ready for a couple to go to jail like I am right now. God damn.
Understand that you guys are like really going with them instead of us. When we've been here, we paid. The guy almost like ran him over. He hit him with his truck.
What was he doing to get ran over by a truck?
Where's the justice?
Exactly.
Where's the justice?
Listen, you can go park at Holland Park.
No, we're not going to. Why?
Well, you can't stay in the parking
Why?
spot. You can't park in.
So y'all really wanted to go to jail over a parking spot. We talking about a parking spot, right?
You can't just stand
Why
here.
can't we park here?
Because he's trying to park here,
Okay,
and you
well,
can't
then
just
they
stand
need
here.
to move out of the way because they were blocking us.
Right now, you're
That's
blocking the
why
whole
we
roadway
couldn't
here
park
because
here.
you're causing this whole disturbance.
No,
because you're
no.
standing in a parking
You
space.
can fix the problem.
Look at this guy. This cop is fucking huge and he ready to just take somebody to jail. He losing his hair. He's stressed out. Boots not even tied. He on straight bush.
Really quick, just tell
Yeah,
them to go
I could. I could
around
take
and
all three of you
that's
to
it.
jail. That's how I could fix the problem.
To jail for what?
For obstructing of the roadway, causing and disturbing the peace. Obstruction. Why do you want me to go on?
On.
Oh yeah, just go to jail. Take me to the jail. I don't have much to yell.
Your
This is a
dad
nice
has to
Sunday,
go
guys.
in the
Come on.
water
We could go
On a
Holland
Sunday?
Park, over Holland
It is
Park.
a
There's
nice
plenty of
Sunday.
spaces.
It is
There's
a nice
plenty
Sunday,
of
and
parking
we'd like
places
to
at Holland
park,
Park.
but everybody
no,
else
we have to
is
do this right
blocking
now.
us. I don't know what is the problem. Why
I don't know
can't you
either.
just have them move and we park our? It was
There's
there.
a line
It's
of
in the
cars here
water.
because of this.
We were in a line too.
Where's your car?
He's trying to get in.
Where's your car at?
So he's not
They
here.
blocked him.
But he's not here.
He is.
Where
But
is he
but
at?
you
Where
need
is
How's
to-
he supposed to park if they were
Where
blocking
is
the
he?
roadway?
This guy?
No, he's
So you have two other cars
There is
here.
a car block.
to be able to park here.
No,
in
there
the
isn't.
spot that we already
There's no
paid
cars
for.
blocking. He's trying to park. He's trying to park.
And we
There's
already
multiple
parked.
cars in here.
Already
There
here.
was a
And your guy
car
isn't here.
there.
We were already here.
You don't need to be here. The car needs to be here.
The car was here, and we paid for it already.
Well, the car's not here anymore, so you're not
I would have been like, officers, can we wrap this shit up?
occupying the spot, right?
It's still paid for.
That's not how that works. You left.
Still paid for, and we're
it's
still
gone.
here.
That's not how that works.
Car or not, we are still
That's
here.
not how that works.
There's no
But
sign
where
that
is-
says you can't reserve
What
it.
is that
No,
the
that's
sign?
not how that
Where
works,
is the
man.
sign that said that I can reserve
All
on
right,
the spot?
we're gonna, like what he said. I don't mind taking someone to jail right now. So it's either you guys are gonna move, or you're gonna go.
Take me to jail.
All right.
No, please.
No, don't back up like a little now. You want to be big and bad? Go ahead and take that car.
Please, no. Ve. Please.
Hey, record this. Record
Please, it's a nice Sunday.
Record me being a dumbass.
Please,
It is a nice Sunday, right?
Back up.
please,
Back up.
please.
Por un fuck y un parqueo, bro.
Gracias, por favor.
Who else going to jail?
Where are you going?
All you had to do is just fucking leave.
We're gonna make it more difficult than him.
Y'all having fun with this, right?
Nope, not at all, actually.
What an idiot. All you had to do was just fucking leave. What's so hard about leaving?
So, because I said take me to jail, you're gonna take me? That's the key word?
Mira, Alejandro, ponte la
Back up.
chancleta.
Back up.
La chancleta.
Y'all thought this was the bad part. It ain't. It's only about to get worse.
Por el parqueo.
Back up. We've been over this. I gave you guys multiple chances.
¿Pero
but
qué
no.
hizo?
Back up.
What did he do? What did he do?
Back up.
Oh God, now they about to get confrontational.
Mira, estamos hablando perfecto. Mira, yo tengo mi mano acá.
Back up.
Yo estoy hablando perfectamente bien. Yo no te estoy hablando mal.
Bad person, so that's what he's gonna get.
Pero él no hizo nada.
Like a beautiful.
That's got to be his dad right there.
Más, no
¿Pero
existe.
qué hizo?
Mira, no
We're
existe
trying to tell
ninguna
him to
ley que
leave.
diga que
There's a
yo.
truck in the roadway. You see all these trucks
Pero es
here?
que no existe ninguna ley que diga que yo
You guys
aguante mi
weren't even here.
parqueo.
You guys weren't even here.
But it wasn't even.
These
it
two were here the whole time, okay?
It wasn't.
So I don't need to speak to any of you guys, right?
Please, sir.
No, please. Back up. Back up. No, no.
Lachi ya, porque
Now
yo no
you're
quiero
wrong,
enseñar
right?
a alguien más.
Pero es que no se puso
Do you guys need
violento.
anything else from us? Because he's gonna take the ride.
I like him.
¿Dónde va él?
He's gonna go to Broward County Courthouse,
What?
the Broward County Jail.
Why? Well, yeah.
You guys can read the FP
I
site.
think that you are doing extremista.
I mean, I'm asking for justice and you take it and do it back.
I would have been like, "Hey guys," if I was the guy in the parking spot. "Hey guys, see ya."
I told you guys the issue. I told you how to resolve it, but you don't want to listen. You don't want to listen.
What the hell? Oh, he trying to fight. Oh yeah, boy. Yo ass going to jail. It's like the jail. I knew that was coming. How the fuck? Did he break a cuff? All of this cause you over a parking spot. Over a parking spot. That's crazy. Boy, they got him put his face on that goddamn hard ground too. What an idiot, bro. Like, what was so hard about just listening, just leaving? Where his ponytail went?
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm really not.
Put him in the front again, there's gonna be another problem.
How the fuck did he do that? He broke his shoulder blade or something?
Five, if the chair's attempting to
Let's go.
Shaking my head. All of that over a parking spot. We're talking about a parking spot.
I couldn't breathe. Man. I was trying to get their attention.
He was ultimately recaptured and charged with resisting arrest both with and without violence, disturbing the peace, and disorderly conduct. If convicted, he faces several misdemeanor and felony penalties, including up to 5 years in prison and thousands in fines.
That was dumb as hell. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Out.